So without further ado, I want to bring on someone today who is one of the top 3 most active investors, along with his company, Unovis Asset Managers and New Crop Capital. Kerr is here to talk to us all about investing. Chris, thanks for being with me. I'm starting to dip my toe in very slowly into investing. And when I look at pitch decks and other things like that, I see that people are very focused on the product. And of course, there's no getting around it, right? It has to be taste first, taste. But then the rest seems to go out the window. So I find myself saying, but where are the numbers? Where are the numbers? So maybe you could give some entrepreneurs some tips about moving beyond the product.
Well, what's important is that most companies don't come out with their best product right out of the gate. Beyond Meat Star is a chicken company, but what made it a worldwide, hero is the burger. How these companies come to market is not the end of the story; it's the beginning. Sometimes you're ahead of the curve. The market's not ready for you right now. The market is ahead of the curve. The market is asking for more, and we're trying very hard to fuel the innovation that will satisfy that demand, which is, let's be honest, the demand is very simple. Can I get a grilled cheese sandwich that melts, that tastes great? Can I get tuna that doesn't include tuna fish? And so what we're trying to solve is a short-term need with a big philosophical statement. And ultimately what I ask entrepreneurs to do is to come back to the ground on this. What is it that you're really trying to solve? Does it solve it? If not, when will it solve it? And who are you solving this for? And ultimately, if you have those in line, you've got a great business opportunity. It does not make it investable, I might add. There's plenty of ways of taking a great company and making it impossible to invest in it, because there's some deals are just not good deals. They could be overpriced. They could be just structured wrong. So we have lots of companies that we love that they should stay lifestyle companies. They shouldn't take on venture capital. My mantra is it's easier to divorce your spouse than to get rid of an investment partner. So choose them really, really wisely. And so really think about that funding process. Why do you need the money? What's it going to get you to? And what problem are you solving? And ultimately, in our world, it better be hunger. You better be solving something that is really satisfying.
But something like ice cream, I always worry when I see investments for new ice cream products. Well, that's just going to be a market that the big players come in and take over. And maybe because there's not enough IP there, they don't even buy you out. They just nudge you out. So I don't know if that ever plays a part in your decision making.
Well, in our case, it does. Every business, you want to know, are you solving a problem? What's your unique value proposition? And so if you're just another ice cream, we're probably not going to do it. Particularly for New Crop, we're mission focused. Our money goes to charity. So ultimately, what did we change? What did we shift? That being said, it doesn't mean that those aren't great enterprises. It just might mean that they're not wonderfully investable. And so we're a little more picky around that.